Welcome to your Google Nest Hub, the ultimate digital photo frame that does so much more. Check it out. With the Google Photos app on your Android or iOS device, you can bring your favorite memories from your phone to your home. Just select the people and pets you want to see, and Google Photos AI will filter out blurry and low-res photos. With live albums, the best and latest shots you've taken on your phone will automatically appear on your hub, no manual updates required. Nest Hub's ambient EQ allows the screen to adjust on its own to match the color and lighting of the room, so photos blend in with your home. These photos are grouped by people and places, which means you can see related photos together, or even search by voice. Hey Google, show my photos of Hawaii. Thanks to your Google Assistant, Nest Hub provides you with help at a glance. Just tap to see your home screen. For your commute, calendar, recommended videos on YouTube, music, and more. Hey Google, play Dua Lipa. Swipe down for Home View, where you can do things like see the status of your home, control devices in each room, turn off the lights, adjust the thermostat, and view cameras. And swipe up to adjust settings, volume, and ambient EQ. Remember, if you ever want to learn more about your Google Assistant, just say, "Hey Google, what can you do?" Ready to give Nest Hub a try? Swipe from the left edge of the screen to exit and get started.